Hey guys, it's Master Ronaldo from the Māori All Blacks here.
It's Teresa Fitzpatrick here from the Black Ferns Sevens.
Kia ora, my name is Lee Korniata and I'm part of the Black Ferns.
Kia ora, I'm Sean Waimea from the Māori All Blacks.
Kia ora everyone, I'm Eloise from the Black Ferns. I just wanted to give a massive shout out to everyone at Downer who is delivering essential services during the COVID-19 lockdown.
Just want to say a big thank you, and you guys are doing amazing.
Thank you all so much. He nui ngā mihi kia koutou. Whawhetai te le lava. We wouldn't be able to get through this crazy time without you.
You're doing an amazing job to keep our community safe and connected.
We're super proud to be aligned with you guys.
So on behalf of New Zealand Rugby and the Black Ferns, we're proud to be partnered with Downer.
So on behalf of the Māori All Blacks, we're real proud to partner with Downer.
On behalf of the Black Ferns Sevens, we'd just like to say how proud we are to partner with Downer.
Kia kaha, and thank you very much.
Take care and kia kaha.
Kia kaha Aotearoa, we got this.
We might be keeping our distance, but we never felt so close. Kia kaha, New Zealand.